Guys, the need allotment results are out, and guess what? My story is a perfect example of expectation versus reality because reality really slapped me hard. So, hi guys, I am Durva, and I'm going to give you unfiltered, behind the scenes, no sugar coated version of my college allotment story. So, like they were postponing the list again and again, and at one point I thought, like, are they allotting colleges or are they organizing a big boss event? And refreshing that website every time, it felt like getting a reply from your crush. Zero results. So finally on 12th, all India list came in, and on 13th my state list, which is Maharashtra list, came in, and that's when the story got a little Bollywood. So I got allotted with PJ Medical College, Pune, and not just in all India list but also in my state list. डबल कन्फर्मेशन, लाइक सिस्टम ने बोला बेटा तू तो इधर ही जाएगी। यार देखो, पीजे मेडिकल कॉलेज इज़ लाइक वेरी अमेजिंग, ठीक है। इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉप मोस्ट कॉलेजेस इन महाराष्ट्र, ठीक है। इट्स वेरी नाइस, बट लाइक मुझे कुछ और चाहिए था यार। मुझे चाहिए था कि मुझे मुंबई का कॉलेज मिले, सेजियस, एंड ये मेरा अभी डिसाइडेड नहीं था, ये मेरा बहुत पहले से डिसाइडेड था। सो लाइक हमारी एक एजुकेशनल फील्ड ट्रिप गई थी 12 अगस्त 2023 को, ठीक है। एंड तब से ही मेरा डिसाइडेड था कि इफ़ आई डोंट गेट लाइक एम्स नागपुर, द सेकेंड प्रायोरिटी दैट आई वांट टू कीप, द सेकेंड कॉलेज दैट आई वांट टू गो इन इज़ सेजियस। सो मेरा बहुत पहले से डिसाइडेड था। ऑल्सो मुंबई इज़ लाइक greater exposure, I would get new opportunities, the vibes. So in my head, the expectation was that I open the portal, I open the list, then I see my dream college's name being allotted to me, and like my family hugging me and like slow motion tears, everything like that. But when reality happened, I got BJ allotted. I was happy that I at least got a college, which is like a great thing. But I also was sad because I didn't get GS. And I literally went through phases. Your list sahi hai na? God, why me? Couldn't you give me like the college I wanted? Did I do physics for all this? Round 2 will save me. I think Pune is also better, So then I started thinking practically, and I thought कि at least seat reserve करके रखते हैं, because I really didn't want to gamble after giving NEET, and थोड़ा safe खेलना भी ज़रूरी था. So I really didn't want to lose PJ का seat in thinking of a possibility that maybe someday I would get GSMC का seat. तो I just decided to reserve PJ ka seat. So we went to the college to take pseudo admission, and my admission process sucks literally, because it is like this huge process. It took me like 2 days, and I was there for like around 7 hours each day. So I went there around 11:30 a.m. and got home at around 7:30, so like around 8 hours, and that was for like 2 days. I was so tired and exhausted both the days, because everybody was like, ये process करो, फिर इसके बाद वो process करो, and every process had a line, like a huge line, and it was very very hectic that day. But like I also found 2-3 of my friends, and we like helped each other to do the process. Also they were like, we met like many new people, and we also helped them because like किसी को भी पता नहीं था. So the ones who already did the whole process were helping the ones who just like who were new to this and who just came, and everybody was like, भाई ये पेपर का प्रिंट आउट लाना है, ओके चल साथ में लेके आते हैं. And it was like very nice, ठीक है. That part I really loved, but the whole process, the whole thing overall was like a really bad thing. We only got break for like just like 10 minutes, and that too for lunch. We got 10 minutes for lunch, and That too, my mom was in the hall. That's why we got saved, because we immediately got called to the dean's office to get her sign. So if she wouldn't have been there, I would have lost the track of that and my file would have gone someplace else. So there was literally no break. But I'm just hoping कि भाई एटलीस्ट सेकेंड राउंड में मुझे जीएस मिल जाए. एंड बस मेरा यही एक चीज़ है भाई, तुम डिले मत करवाओ सेकेंड राउंड. बस फर्स्ट राउंड होने के बाद ना तुम जल्दी सेकेंड राउंड लो, बिकॉज इतना डिले करवाया ना पहला राउंड कि अब अगर ये राउंड भी डिले हो गया ना तो मुझे तब एडमिशन मिलेगा जब मेरे बच्चे दे रहे होंगे भाई. बट गाइस, एट द एंड इट डजंट मैटर विच कॉलेज आई गेट, इवन इफ आई गेट बीजे, इफ आई गेट जीएस और एनी कॉलेज. एट द एंड मेरा पैशन, मेरा एफर्ट और मेरी कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर करती है. सो इवन इफ आई गेट बीजे एंड गॉड फॉरबिड नॉट गेट जीएसएमसी, आई वुड स्टिल बी very much great. I would try to be great because at the end मुझे एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बनना है और वो मैं कहीं से भी बन सकती हूँ. So yeah, this was my allotment story, and if you are also frustrated of the delays in allotment list, or you're also refreshing the MCC page again and again like me, drop it in the comment. We'll cry together. And also make sure to like and subscribe, and also I'll see you in the next, hopefully from Mumbai, fingers crossed.